If the goal of every customer interaction is to solve issues faster and build deeper relationships, then your view of the customer should reflect their goals and priorities. With Unified Customer Profile and Microsoft Cloud for Financial Services, customer data is presented through a lens that reflects the relationships and financial situation of the person on the other end of the interaction, helping service agents and bankers to provide an experience that's tailored to the customer and their needs. For this demo of Unified Customer Profile, we'll start with the banker experience. Life Events presents highlights about the customer in a consumable format, so bankers can speak intelligently to the customer's goals and priorities. The banker is provided with at-a-glance recognition of the key characteristics of the customer and can add information quickly when the customer shares something new, helping to make marketing more effective and drive consistency across the bank. Connections provides a framework for reflecting the various relationships that matter to the customer, whether they represent the immediate household, family trusts, or business roles. Bankers can anchor conversations around the relationships that matter most to their customers and have a framework for quickly consuming and editing this information while communicating with the customer. Financial Holdings helps bankers have more relevant conversations with customers, as they can quickly gain an understanding for the customer's current financial situation in a consolidated view. Rather than having to navigate to another system and pour through lines of transactions and balances, Financial Holdings presents summarized data for quick recognition so the banker can provide value to the customer faster. With data organized around the customer, we can begin to reason on the signals coming from transaction, marketing, and device activity, and serve insights to the banker in the form of segments and AI recommendations. Bankers can see what active segments a customer belongs to, helping to ensure continuity in messaging and service across different areas of the bank. Insights from AI models help identify a customer's likelihood to churn, which is defined as a reduction in activity with the bank or potential for payment delinquency. Now that we've seen the insights available for bankers, we'll walk through the steps an admin would take to prep and unify data for Unified Customer Profile. We start by connecting into all the relevant data sources for a true Customer 360, including core banking, loan origination, marketing, app, and branch visits. With data in place, admins can begin the map, match, merge process by mapping fields to schema type, defining identifiers to match records across entities with configurable precision, and merging overlapping fields to create a consolidated customer profile. Native connections into Microsoft and third-party data enrichment services allow admins to leverage the power of external sources to create a more comprehensive view of the customer. Pre-built AI models allow the business to start reasoning on consolidated data immediately, without the effort and delays that come with undertaking a large-scale machine learning project. With little to no data science background, an admin can follow the prompts for defining the churn model and setting thresholds, choosing what data to include, choosing refresh frequency, and have an operational AI model that's ready to be trained and deployed. With data consolidated and organized around a single customer record, component views in Unified Customer Profile come to life for bankers and customer service agents. Powered by Microsoft Cloud for Financial Services, bankers and service agents can gain a holistic view of the customer at a glance, empowering them to provide more direct and tailored service that reflects customer priorities and builds deeper relationships.